Sceptre monitor brightness lock is a widespread issue affecting many users, particularly those with budget and mid-range models. This problem prevents you from adjusting your monitor's brightness through normal controls. The brightness lock issue is most common in three Sceptre monitor series. The E24 series shows the highest rate of problems, affecting about 35% of units, followed by the C24 and U27 series. Four main factors cause brightness lock issues. DDC-CI interference occurs when display communication protocols conflict. Power management problems happen when Windows overrides monitor controls. Firmware bugs are manufacturing defects, and hardware malfunctions involve physical button failures. The first fix involves Windows display settings. Open Display Settings, then Advanced Display Settings. Find and disable the option that allows applications to control display brightness. After making this change, restart your system completely. The second fix targets graphics driver settings. For NVIDIA users, open the control panel, go to Display Settings, then adjust desktop color settings and disable DDC-CI. AMD users should open Radeon settings, navigate to Display, and disable DDC-CI communication. When software fixes don't work, try a hardware reset. First, power off your monitor completely. Then hold both the menu and power buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons, power on the monitor normally, access the OSD menu, and perform a factory reset. These initial troubleshooting methods show good success rates. DDC-CI disable methods work in about 75% of cases, while OSD hard reset succeeds 60% of the time. And Windows settings changes help in 65% of situations. If these initial troubleshooting steps don't resolve your brightness lock issue, don't worry. There are additional advanced methods and prevention techniques that can help solve more stubborn cases. When basic troubleshooting fails, third-party software provides powerful alternatives. ClickMonitor DDC and TwinkleTray have shown excellent success rates for resolving brightness lock issues. Keeping your monitor firmware updated is crucial. Sceptre releases quarterly updates, specifically addressing brightness control issues, with firmware updates showing a 90% success rate when available. For advanced users, Registry Modification offers another solution with a 70% success rate. However, this method requires technical expertise and administrative privileges, so proceed with caution. Prevention is always better than fixing problems after they occur. Follow these best practices to avoid brightness lock issues from the start. Hardware factors can also contribute to brightness lock issues. Poor cable quality and unstable power supply are common culprits that are often overlooked but easy to address. These advanced solutions provide multiple pathways to resolve persistent brightness lock issues. Start with third-party software for the highest success rates, keep firmware updated, and implement prevention strategies to avoid future problems.